Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing Windows and the controller. Do this now. Plug the Xbox wireless controller into a PC USB port or pair via Bluetooth in settings. Make sure the controller is powered. Open Microsoft Store and sign in, then install or update the Xbox Accessories app. This app will manage firmware. While the app downloads, avoid heavy network use. Once the app is ready, launch it so the controller appears. If it doesn't, try a different USB port immediately. Now you'll perform the update itself. This is the detailed part. In the Xbox Accessories app, select your controller, then click Update. The app will check firmware versions and show a progress bar. Follow on-screen prompts, accept any permission dialogues, and allow driver installs. These enable new features and fix issues. If Bluetooth paired, prefer wired for stability during the transfer. Once progress reaches completion, the app will confirm success. If multiple updates queued, repeat until no updates remain. Finish by confirming the update applied and testing functionality. Open the app to view firmware version, then test inputs in a game or controller test. If the update failed, try a different high-quality USB cable and a different USB port. Sometimes front versus rear ports differ. Make sure Windows isn't sleeping. Reboot and relaunch the Xbox Accessories app. If problems persist, reinstall the app, update Bluetooth drivers, or try another PC. A fresh environment often isolates hardware from software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.